What's up, y'all? It's your boy Eddie, aka Special Ed. Back with another video. Y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the, it's raining right now. It's a little crazy. Let's hit this cold start. Y'all see it? I put it on. It sound crazy right now. Wait till we get this mid-muffler delete, y'all. Just wait. So I already know it's about to sound crazy. I already know. Y'all, so y'all gonna see what they're gonna do. I don't know what they're gonna do. I know they're gonna cut something, but that's all I really know for real. But we gonna video the whole process for y'all and see what they talking about with the price too, because who knows, they might be talking about some crazy. But yeah, watching this video the other day, and it was like talking about the mid-muffler delete, that the mid-muffler delete not good, but I'm gonna do it anyway because everybody else got it on their car, so why not? It's gonna make it sound way better. Y'all heard the cold start. It sound crazy. It's loud, but now Michigan Rose. You feel it? You see it? It's crazy. But sorry, I didn't mean to get distracted. But yeah, we gotta do it. We got to, because everybody that got mid-muffler deletes, they car sound good. Sound good. Cold starts, warm starts. It's like, it just gotta happen. It just got to. So, y'all, I'm so glad I did not wash my car yesterday, because I already knew. I'm like, last time I washed my car, I'm like, it rained the next day. So I'm like, ain't no way I'm making the same mistake twice. So I looked at the weather yesterday just to make sure that the weather was gonna be like not rain today. So I didn't end up washing the car. The car a little dirty, but it's okay. It's been like 3 days since I washed the car. Like, you really gotta stay in the car wash with this thing, because it's white and I feel like it gets dirty so easy. I don't know why. It just might be my eyes or something, but I just feel like it gets dirty so easy. Yeah. I feel like it dirty just way too easy. So I'm so glad I watched it, and it's raining right now. It's raining. Y'all see the rain. So y'all, I'll meet y'all there. What we got here? She's looking mighty fine, y'all. Do you know the muffler, man? What they got back there? They got a GT. A GT back there. Good, how are you? On the mid-muffler delete.
Yeah. We actually on a week.
45 minutes?
Before I do it, yeah, I'm just getting done eating my lunch.
Alright. So come back in 45?
Oh.
Alright, thank you.
Yep.
45 minutes. He said come back in 45 minutes.
45?
Yeah.
Let me take a look and see.
Okay. It's so quiet.
you want to eliminate these two here.
Yeah, the mid mufflers. Yeah.
Thing is, my pipes are not stainless. I don't need my pipe. This is like stainless pipe here.
So we have to go somewhere else.
You have to find somebody that does stainless. I don't do stainless.
All right.
I used to try to do it, and people don't want to pay the money, and I just don't even bother stocking it anymore.
Oh, okay.
It's wasting my time. It's not cheap. Stainless not cheap. But that, yeah. I want to. There's a place. It's like garbage.
Oh shit. Hello.
Got illuminized.
What? Oh yeah, it disconnected. Do you guys do stainless?
No.
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 Y'all, we just finally found a place for the next muffler place. We just had to drive 30 minutes to that muffler place to even see if he got a.
Show them that, please show them that.
40 minutes.
We already drove 30 here. Now we gotta drive another 40 somewhere else.
It was 33 minutes here. The boys are somewhere around here. It was 33 minutes here. Now we gotta drop another 40 minutes to the muffler place. Sheesh. Telling y'all, this ain't. You see my gas tank? Do y'all see my gas tank? It was on full when I left the crib. Look at it now. Look at it. She crying right now. She crying. But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all when we get there. Other man was talking about $100, but he don't do stainless. So we end up calling this guy that we seen on YouTube, whatever. But he was farther. He's way farther than anywhere else. So we gonna have to end up going to him. We ain't going nowhere else. We going straight to this man. And the boys gotta be behind us somewhere.
100 miles on this shit, and we didn't even get this shit done yet.
But yeah, we see y'all when we get there, and we gone. Y'all, we finally here. We finally got. See how quiet it is now? What? Literally. Sheesh. Had a long day already in this. About to get this good and over with. Honestly.
You think they got them blocks?
Yeah, because they would have been scraping. Y'all see it's quiet now. It's quiet. When it's done, it's gonna be crazy. No, I'm gonna make the cop one different. It gotta be. I'm not about to make it no hour. That car, the cop one is an hour on its own. 30 minutes. Yeah, they got a cat over here too. Oh yeah, that boy nice. You know what?
See, it's different for me. I ain't getting sleep again. I ain't getting sleep. That shit not sleep at all.
They got the cat, that joint. Sheesh. Oh, it's a red eye. Oh, and it got the black hood on it. Sheesh. He got that tinted. He got his windshield tinted. Oh my god. Huh? He got his windshield tinted. He got everything tinted on here. Literally everything. It's a red eye too. They leaving the scene. They gonna be out of there. When they done, we gonna give y'all the cold start. You heard? It's one down, one to go.
Go ahead. You need this? Plan on doing 5-inch tips or not yet?
Yeah.
You want to do those eventually?
Yeah.
You want to do them today or what?
How much is that?
200.
200 more?
Yeah. I could probably do 350 for you.
350 in total?
Yeah. Do it.
All right.
Do it.
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Yeah. Y'all about to change the tip soon. Might as well get it all done and over.
I didn't know I already had a set made. I thought I was going to have to make a set. You want me to wait till Mike come back and do this break, so you want me to just go? You can go. Alright. Anything, call me. Alright.
Sheesh. Oh man.
Okay, that's without the cold start.
That's without the cold start.
You want to take the old mufflers with you?
Yeah, yeah. She's so dirty right now. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look how dirty she is. Do you know the muffler man? The muffler. Y'all know where to come. Get y'all muffler done. It's the best place, honestly. It's the best place. They know what they're doing, right? right? They know what they're doing, right?
Axe Huron Township.
It's far too. It's far. It's a good 50 minutes from the crib, Clinton Township, but it's okay. It's well worth it. It's well worth $350.
I need to see him rev that thing. Some ice cream.
Of course. After we've been through.
It's fucking tense right now. I don't even want to eat. Just give me some damn ice cream. Something my day. Make it a sunny day for me. You give me some ice cream, it'll turn my day into a sunny day.
Oh. Oh man. Woo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It sounded like a beauty. Sheesh. Next day, y'all. Next day. Let's hear the cold start and how it sounds. Let's hear the cold start. Oh, where the keys at? Where the keys at? Oh, the keys right here. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. The car sound is so good right now. The car sound is so good right now. Like, I mess with it a lot. I enjoy it. Y'all, any more ideas to do with the car, let me know. Comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said. And we going up from here. More videos coming soon. You heard? And we gone.
Up in this bitch and we going, special ed up in this bitch and we going, special ed up in this bitch and we tripping. We don't talk about shit, we go get it. You fuck on my shit, but you can't admit it. You see the subscribe, go ahead and go click it. You want me to do something, go in the comments and type it. I see it, I'm gonna get with it. I'm doing my vids live like no other YouTuber. No, I don't need to script it. 5K, 10K, 100K, then I get